In 1961, the court case Mapp v. Ohio came into the spotlight, a case that defined what unreasonable searches and seizures were and ruled that any search without a warrant directly clashed with the Fourth Amendment. The situation began on May 23, 1957, when police got an anonymous tip saying that Virgil Ogletree, a number operator wanted for questioning, was hiding out at Dalry Mapp's house. 3 officers went to the home and asked for entrance, but Mapp refused to admit them without a search warrant. A few hours later, many policemen showed up and stormed the house. It seemed as though the warrant that the police used was a fake, and no one ever saw it again after the event of the storming of the house. Police arrested Mapp for being overly aggressive and belligerent, and eventually found Ogletree. But while in the basement, police found several California gold betting slips and some books of pornography, while reports regarding where those were found, either in Mapp's bedroom or in the basement supposedly left by the previous owner according to Mapp, were disputed. Mapp was then arrested on the charges of carrying the betting slips and the pornography books. Mapp was eventually found guilty by the state of Ohio for the possession of the pornography books, but while on bail, requested an appeal. There were many constitutional issues raised with this case. Specifically, 1. Was the search of Mapp's home legal, and could the evidence found be used in court? 2. If the state criminal procedure did not exclude the evidence as being illegally gained, then Ohio appeared to have ignored Mapp's right against illegal search and seizures under the Fourth Amendment. There were arguments for both sides. In Mapp's view, the police who searched the home did so illegally, and any discriminating evidence found in the house should be thrown out of the court, and the conviction should be overturned. The state argued that even if the search was made without proper authority, the state was not prevented from using the evidence because, quote, the 14th Amendment does not forbid the admission of evidence obtained by an unreasonable search and seizure, unquote. In other words, Ohio argued the 14th Amendment does not guarantee the Fourth Amendment protections in the state courts. Furthermore, under the 10th Amendment, the states retain their right to operate a separate court system. The Bill of Rights only restricts and limits the actions of the national government. In the end, the U.S. Supreme Court voted 6-3 in favor of Mapp, saying that states were required to exclude information and/or evidence gained by a search without a warrant.